In this session, I am going to demonstrate how to download and install GNS3 VM in VMware Workstation Pro. GNS3 can be run as a standalone application also, but when it comes down to having multiple elements and scaling up the topology, it is always recommended to run it on GNS3 VM. So the GNS3 UI would be separate and the VM would be separate, and they both will be interacting. Now keep in mind that both GNS3 UI and GNS3 VM are available for free on GNS3 website. When we do the installation, make sure that they both are having the same version. So first, please let me go to the GNS3 website. Here I need to sign in, and if you are new to this website, you will have to register and create an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to proceed from there. So we have the GNS3 software offerings available here for Windows, Mac and Linux. Here at the bottom, it also shows about GNS3 VM. In this session, I am covering GNS3 VM, so I'm going to click on this. And here again, it provides the options of where exactly do we want it to be installed. Since I'm covering VMware Workstation, I'm going to select this link. And my download is going to start. I'm going to pause the recording here and resume once it is almost done. And now if I check my downloads folder, I find it here. Next, let me uncompress this. So I'll say extract all. And my GNS3 VM OVA is available here now. Next, let me open the VMware Workstation Pro. Here I will click File, Open, go to Downloads, go to the and select the VM. And here I am going to just say GNS3 VM. I'm going to say import. So now as you can see on the left side pane, this entry appears. This is GNS3 VM and it is showing what are the settings for it. Let me click on the processor aspect. And here the important thing is this setting has to be checked on. That means allowing the virtualization capability. So this is in case it is not checked for you, you need to check it. Okay. I'll say OK. For the memory and the processor, the chip settings don't need to be made here. They need to be made on the GNS3 UI. And that is something that I will cover in the next lesson. For now, I'm going to turn it on. And let us see how this presents itself. As you can see, it is giving the version number, which is the latest one as of now. It is 2.2.54, and here it is showing the KVM support available is true. This is a mandatory requirement for it to work along with the GNS3 UI. Okay. If you also see a similar screen, that is the KVM support available is equal to true, that's a good sign and also indicates that your installation has been successful. I'm going to stop here for this lesson, and in the next lesson I will resume and demonstrate how to download the GNS3 UI, the same version, and how to integrate it with the GNS3 VM.